Immediate anxiety relief breathing exercises. I'm Recovery Mum and I'm here with you right now. I can see you're feeling anxious about your family's recovery journey, and I want you to know that's completely okay and understandable. Whether you're dealing with fear about relapse, stress about treatment decisions, worry about family relationships, or just that constant underlying anxiety that comes with supporting someone through addiction, you're in the right place. We're going to work through this together. I need you to find somewhere to sit or stand. Wherever you are right now is absolutely fine. You don't need to move to a special place or create perfect conditions. Your loved one's recovery challenges don't determine where you can find peace. Place both feet flat on the floor if you're sitting, or feel your feet firmly planted if you're standing. Put one hand on your chest and one hand on your belly. You can keep your eyes open or closed, whatever feels safer and more comfortable for you right now. Take a moment to feel your body in this space. You are here. You are safe in this moment, regardless of what's happening with your family's recovery journey. We're going to use a breathing technique called 478. I want to explain why this works because understanding it can help you trust the process. When you're anxious about family recovery, whether it's about meetings with counsellors, fears about your loved one's progress, or just the day-to-day stress of supporting someone through addiction, your breathing becomes shallow and fast. Your nervous system gets stuck in that fight or flight mode. What we're going to do is deliberately slow down and deepen your breathing. This sends a direct signal to your nervous system that it's okay to calm down, even when family recovery feels chaotic and unpredictable. Here's how it works. We'll breathe in through your nose for 4 counts, hold your breath for 7 counts, then breathe out through your mouth for 8 counts. The exhale is the most important part. That's where your nervous system gets the message to relax. Don't worry if it feels awkward at first. We'll do this together and I'll guide you through every step. Your family's recovery journey includes taking care of your own anxiety, and that's exactly what we're doing right now. Ready? Let's start with one practice round so you can feel how it works. Empty your lungs completely first. Just breathe out naturally. Now we'll begin. Breathe in through your nose for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath for 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Breathe out through your mouth for 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. How did that feel? Let's do that again. And this time, as you breathe out, release some of that worry about treatment progress or family stress. Breathe in through your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out through your mouth with a gentle whoosh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time in this first round. As you breathe in, breathe away the fear about what tomorrow might bring for your family. In for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out for 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Notice how your body is starting to respond. You might feel a little lightheaded. That's completely normal when you're releasing family recovery anxiety. Just breathe naturally for a moment and let yourself adjust. Now let's do another round, but this time I want you to focus on the actual sensation of your breath. Feel the cool air coming in through your nose and the warm air going out through your mouth. Each breath is taking you away from anxiety about your family's recovery and bringing you into this present moment of calm. Gentle, ready, here we go. Breathe in, feeling the air flow in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, letting calm spread through your body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Breathe out, releasing family recovery anxiety. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, in through the nose, stepping away from worry. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it gently, creating space for peace. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out through the mouth, releasing control over things you can't change. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more in this round. Remember, your loved one's recovery is their journey, and you can only control your own response to it. In. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Feel your shoulders dropping. Feel your jaw unclenching. Your body is getting the message that you're safe, even when family recovery feels uncertain and unpredictable. Let's do one final round. This time, as you breathe, I want you to connect with these thoughts. On the inhale, think, I am breathing in calm and strength. During the hold, think, I am allowing peace to fill my body while supporting my family. On the exhale, think, I am releasing anxiety and fear about my loved one's recovery. Compassionate. Here we go. Breathe in calm and strength. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold and let peace fill you while supporting your family. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Breathe out anxiety about recovery. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, breathe in calm. 1, 2, 3, 4. Peace filling your body as you support your loved one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Release what you cannot control about their recovery. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One final breath for your family's healing and your own peace. In with calm. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold with peace. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out with release. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now breathe naturally. Just let your breath be whatever it wants to be. Notice how your body feels compared to when we started. The tightness in your chest from family recovery worry may have eased. Your heart rate may have slowed. Your thoughts about your loved one's recovery might feel a little clearer, a little less overwhelming. This is your tool now. You can use 4 to 7 to 8 breathing anywhere, anytime family recovery anxiety strikes. Before treatment meetings, when you're worried about relapse, during difficult family conversations, or just when the weight of supporting someone through recovery feels too heavy. Remember what you just did. You handled this moment of anxiety about your family's recovery. You chose to take action instead of being overwhelmed by worry about things you can't control. That's real strength, and you should be proud of yourself. Your anxiety about your loved one's recovery is temporary and understandable. You are stronger than your family recovery anxiety, and you now have a tool that works with your body's natural ability to calm itself, even in the middle of supporting someone through addiction. Take a moment to appreciate yourself for taking this time. You matter in your family's recovery journey, and your well-being matters too. Taking care of yourself isn't selfish. It's necessary for everyone's healing. You've got this, one breath at a time. Find more family recovery support at familyrecoverymum.com. I hope this helped. Remember, I'm sharing what worked for our family as a recovery parent. For serious concerns or crisis situations, please reach out to professionals. Take care of yourself